road tripping to a place like Legoland or just doing your daily commute, we all
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Iron County in southern Utah, Western Kane County in southern Utah, East Central Washington County in southwestern Utah until 8:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:52 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.75 and 2 inches of rain have fallen over the headwaters of the North Fork of the Virgin River, Crystal Creek, and Shiver Creek. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Zion National Park, Springdale, and Rockville. This includes the following streams and drainages: North Fork Virgin River, Deep Creek, Shiver Creek, and Crystal Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Iron and Washington,